I'm Summer from Yiwu Group. Today I'm in the Yiwu International Trade Market again. Yiwu International Trade Market is the largest wholesale market in the world, covering an area of over 5 million square meters and home to more than 75,000 vendors from China and around the world. Within this massive complex, the stationery section stands out as a vibrant hub of activity for anyone interested in school supplies, office supplies, and other writing materials. The stationery section of Yiwu International Market is renowned for its wide-range products, competitive prices, and high-quality merchandise. Here you can find everything from pens, pencils, and markers to notebooks, notepads, and folders, as well as staplers, paper clips, and other office essentials. At this time, I'll take you to explore District 3, Section H, the stationery section. Just follow me. This store sells all kinds of stationery sets. Like this one is a pencil box set. It includes 1 pencil box and 3 pencils, 1 eraser, and 1 pencil sharpener. The shop owner told me that all these sections are very popular. They all have stock and the manufacturer is in Yiwu, so the prices are very competitive. For example, like this one, it has 12 pieces color pencils, 2 pencils, 1 pencil sharpener, and 1 eraser, and the price is less than 0.2 USD. And the MOQ is at least 1,440 pieces. Because of Yiwu as a major manufacturing center in China for stationery products, so the price advantage is very prominent. 老板娘你好，我看店里有好多这个文具，然后咱们最受欢迎、最有特色的是哪一种啊？
就像这些带造型的，这比如飞机啊、汽车啊这些。
像这种的一个是多少钱
1毛5。
1毛5。那起订量呢？
一件
是多少个
？3360。
3360。哦。那像咱们是会有现货吗？这种？
有，都有
现货。
都有。
那然后咱们是有自己的工厂是吧？好。The shop owner told me the pencil sharpener are very popular in this store, and they have different styles and shapes. Like this one is an airplane. The price is just 0.02 USD, and the MOQ is at least 3,360 pieces. And they have their own factory, so the price is very competitive, and it mainly export to Southeast Asia and India. Yiwu Group is a top sourcing agent in China, offering comprehensive and reliable service to global clients for many years. We can help you find the right products at the right prices. Yiwu Group can be your trusted partner in China. Thank you for watching. See you at the next time. Bye.